Hi, this is Bilal from Speckle, and in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to add colors to your 3D visual. Let's go. First, some context on what I did. I actually extracted some fields. Category, level, name, and type columns, they are extracted from the received data. And the rest, basically version object ID, speckle type, object IDs, and the data columns, they are auto-generated by the Speckle's data connector. And this actually data column contains all the data about the object. So we actually extracted these columns from this data column. Yeah. So how do we add colors? It's actually pretty simple. We have a color by input. If you drag and drop any column into this input, it will color accordingly. So if, let's say, we want to color them by their levels, we can just drag and drop the level field and they will be colored by their levels. As you can see, each level, level 19, level 18, level 17, etc. Each level has its own unique color. Keep in mind that this color by inputs accepts only one column, right? So you can't actually color by multiple columns. Let's say that we want to color by category. Let's drag and drop that now. And each category of elements have their own color. So these are topo solids, floors are purple, curtain panels are pink, etc. As you can see, it's pretty simple. And that's it. If you faced any issues, let us know at speckle.community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.